All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're doing more than just analyzing a stock. We are building a professional-grade trading blueprint from the ground up. Think of this as your masterclass for how to approach a high-flying name like Eli Lilly with discipline, precision, and a rock-solid plan.
So, this is the big question on everyone's mind, isn't it? Eli Lilly is up a massive 46% in just 12 weeks. Have you missed the boat? You see that chart just going vertical, and that fear of missing out. It's real. Now, an amateur chases the price here. A professional? A professional steps back, diagnoses the situation, and prepares a plan. And that is exactly what we're going to build right now.
Okay, here's our roadmap for today. 5 clear steps. First, we're going to diagnose the current market conditions. Second, we'll define our precise entry points. Third, we'll build our safety net, the risk management framework. Fourth, the fun part, planning how we scale out for profit. And finally, we'll put it all together into a single actionable blueprint you can use immediately.
All right, section 1. Let's start with the diagnosis. Because look, before you even think about clicking that buy button, you have to understand the environment you're operating in. The number one rule of a professional trader is to assess, not to guess. And here is the central problem we're facing. The long-term trend is an absolute monster. That's why we're even talking about it. But, and this is a big but, the short-term picture shows a stock that's completely exhausted. It's run too far, too fast, and that dramatically increases the risk of a sharp pullback. Buying right here, at the peak of all this excitement, is a classic low-probability trade. So how do we actually quantify this exhaustion? Well, we use a tool called the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. The easiest way to think of it is like a speedometer for the stock's momentum. And a good rule of thumb is that anything over 70 suggests the engine is running way too hot and it really needs to cool down. And Eli Lilly's current reading, a staggering 8150. I mean, this isn't just hot, it's deep in extremely overextended territory. This data point right here is our big flashing warning signal. It tells us that right now, our greatest weapon is patience. So let's move on to the solution. If we can't buy now, when can we? Well, instead of making a single all-or-nothing purchase, we're going to construct a tiered entry plan. This is exactly how you turn a potential pullback from a threat into a golden opportunity. Our first entry point is the most likely one to hit. This is our primary target, where we plan to deploy the majority of our capital, about 60% of our total intended position. We are going to wait for the price to come to us at a level that gives us a much better risk-to-reward setup. And we can be very precise about this. Our target is the zone between 950 and 967. Now, this isn't a random number. It corresponds to the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level, a classic technical area where a pullback often finds its first layer of serious support. We're targeting a high probability zone where buyers are very likely to step in. But professionals always plan for contingencies. What if the pullback is deeper than we think? That's what our Tier 2 entry is for. This is where we'll deploy the remaining 40% of our capital. We call this aggressive not because it's reckless, but because we are strategically buying into greater weakness in exchange for a significantly better price. Our Tier 2 target is down between 830 and 865. This level lines up with the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, which is a major reversal zone where you often see big institutional money start to place their buy orders. We only activate this part of the plan if and only if our first support level at 950 fails to hold. This is all about strategic, not reactive buying. Okay, we've defined our entries. Now we have to define our exits for when we're wrong. This right here is the most crucial part of any professional trading plan. Your stop loss is your non-negotiable safety net. It's the discipline that preserves your capital and lets you come back to trade another day. Every single entry must have a predefined exit, period. For our Tier 1 position, our hard stop is at $835. If that level breaks, our thesis is broken and we get out. For Tier 2, our line in the sand is $780. A break there signals the entire long-term trend has probably failed. The key here is that our maximum loss is calculated and accepted before we ever risk a single dollar. But risk management isn't just about cutting losses. It's also about protecting profits. Once a trade is working in our favor, we implement a trailing stop. As the stock moves up, we systematically raise our stop loss. This is how you turn a winning trade into a risk-free one, and then into a guaranteed profit, all while still leaving room for it to run even further. All right, now for the best part, taking profits.
Amateurs are always looking for that one single home run exit price. Professionals scale out. We take profits methodically, in pieces, as the stock reaches predetermined levels. This reduces your risk, and more importantly, it ensures you actually get paid. So here's the exit plan for our Tier 1 entry. We don't sell it all at once. We sell a quarter of the position at our first target. We sell another quarter at the second target, and a third quarter at the third target. This systematically locks in your gains. That final 25%, that's our runner. We let that one ride with the protective trailing stop we just talked about, just in case there's some unexpected extra upside. Okay, we've built all the individual components. Now, let's put it all together into a single, comprehensive blueprint. This is your final roadmap, the plan that you will execute without emotion. Think of this table as your cheat sheet. It consolidates every single critical price level we've discussed. You can see the stock status, the precise action to take, the technical reason why, and our assessed probability. From the current overbought state where our action is simply to wait, down to our key entry zones and our hard stops, it is the entire plan on a single page. And here's how you actually put it into practice over time. The next 2 weeks are all about patience. You set your alerts and you monitor. You do not chase the price. The following month or so is your potential entry window. If the price comes to our levels, we execute. And once you're in the trade, you shift into the profit scaling phase. A plan is nothing without a timeline for execution. So what's our final assessment? We believe the most probable scenario with about 70% confidence is a pullback right into our Tier 1 entry zone. That's the primary setup we are waiting for. We give it about a 20% chance of a deeper correction to Tier 2 and maybe a 10% chance that the entire idea fails and we're stopped out for a small managed loss. The bottom line is this: we have a clear plan for all 3 likely outcomes. Ultimately, the success of this entire playbook comes down to this one principle. The analysis is done, the levels are set, the plan is complete. The final variable now is your discipline. Execute this framework systematically, avoid emotional decisions, and you shift the odds dramatically in your favor.